Living in, oh, what's up, y'all? Domino here. Like they say, living in better days. Well, yeah, I'm a little choked up and sad about something. All right, my aunt passed away today. She was in a bad car accident. All right, so I'm making this video because some things I want to say. Okay, and I'm doing the gameplay right now while I'm talking to y'all. So you know what, y'all? Uh, I don't know how many people are gonna laugh. I know my family members gonna be watching this. Mm-hmm. My family members gonna be watching this, but I mean something I want to bring up. That's something I really want to bring up. Okay. All right. After my mom passed away, my oldest brother caused himself trying to take over this house and take advantage of us. And in her mind, something in her mind was telling her to come over here to my house and and put a stop to my evil brother. She had that box cutter for him. Yep, she had that box cutter, and he ran like a coward. He ran like a coward. No, he didn't jump off the second floor balcony. I don't really don't know what happened though. But all I know is he pushed my AT out the way and ran around the corner. So yeah, that's what happened, y'all. Yeah, that's what happened though. So yeah, truthfully, I'm grieving on the inside, y'all. I'm really grieving on the inside though. Okay, so although I'm gonna miss my AT though. Let's watch the game though. I mean, I'm grieving on the inside. At least I have some energy to work. You know. While I'm working right now, and showing y'all this game NBA 2K. No, not no NBA 2K19, NBA Live 19 for PlayStation 4, playing on my PS5. Yep. So unfortunately, she ain't a chance to see my new house when I get one. Okay. Yep. So although I'm gonna miss my AT. So I mean, had a box cutter for my brother, and guess what? What was she gonna do with it? I don't know. I can't say it on national TV, even though she not here with us no more. I'm still not gonna say it on national TV. I'm still not gonna say it on national TV. So so I must say, y'all. I mean, although I'm gonna miss my AT though. Okay, we had our ups and downs and stuff like that. Okay, but life goes on. Okay, so so I must say, y'all. I mean, I'm sad about it and everything, but in meantime, we'll all heal from this. Okay, but you know what? I ain't gonna never forget that time when she ran my brother away. And then my oldest brother got mad at me because of his wrongdoings. Okay. Well, I must say Brandon took advantage of people. My oldest brother. So some guy named Emmanuel asked me how I'm doing. Well, I'm gonna respond to him right now. Well, I'm okay though, but my mom passed away, bro. Okay, so let's see what he gonna say. Okay, but the comments not gonna show on YouTube when I upload it to YouTube. Okay, so I must say, y'all. I mean, that box cutter, and I'm surprised she didn't ran behind him. Yeah, So I must say, man, if you're watching this, my auntie passed away earlier today. Okay, so that's the sad news so far, you know. Okay, all right, so, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, I'm sad on this side, but happy on the outside, you know. And at least I have enough strength to work though, work on my gaming, you know. Okay, yo, the game is almost over. Long as this don't freeze, you know. Okay. All right, so I'm about to go on my balcony, get some fresh air, and my best friend Shamika went to the parade. You know, I thought she wasn't going though, but I guess she changed her mind. I ain't going this year, but I'm gonna probably go next year. Okay. All right, so I'll probably go next year. I'm not going to any parades this year, but I'm gonna go next year in 2024. Okay. All right, so a nice stroll on the balcony. You know, I mean, yeah, but inside you're grieving. You know, but outside you gotta you know. Honestly, I'm gonna keep it real with you. I mean, I was grieving on the inside when I lost my mom. I'm still grieving on this side, losing my mom. I miss my mama though. You know. Okay. Yeah, life haven't been the same without her, you know. Well, life not gonna be the same without my auntie Cynthia. I'm sure gonna miss her, and you know, I mean, he ran right around the corner. When my auntie had that box cutter for him. Yeah, that was funny, y'all. I had to say this though, but I ain't gonna say much or nothing on national TV. Yeah, not on national TV, you know, on national social media. National social media, okay? So, like I said, I ain't gonna never forget that time that she had that box cutter for him. Yeah, yeah, that was totally funny, you know. Well, I need to call my auntie up and tell her maybe to make her laugh though. Okay. So anyway, I'm about to go check my game. You know, let me go check my game and see what's happening. Okay. So I'm about to go in here. The game is still playing. Yep, it's still recording. Thank God. You know. Mm-hmm. Yep. So I'm fine. You know. I'm good by the grace of God. You know. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Irritation in the throat. You know, I don't have a cold, thank God. You know, it's still Mardi Gras, one of my favorite time of the season. You know, this like the fourth Mardi Gras, I do believe. That I lost a family member around this time. My cousin Bango in 1999, and my step cousin in 2003, Lil Carrie. My auntie Winky in 2014, you know. My auntie Jeanette, well, shortly before, was it January or February that that well, should I count that Mardi Gras? Well, I don't know. My auntie Jeanette passed away, well, before Mardi Gras, as far as I know. Okay, so this is another sad Mardi Gras for us, you know. But I'm gonna be inside for Mardi Gras Day, you know. I ain't going nowhere for Mardi Gras Day, y'all. I'm gonna be inside, you know. I ain't going nowhere, you know. All right, y'all. Even though I'll be sad about it, though, you know. You know. So well. All right. So I'll talk to y'all later. I'm about to call somebody. All right. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye.